Last stock po na chic natin naman. Ito sisi ko, sobrang ganda. This is size small po ha. To semi-slim, magkakasya po ha. Ayan po, kasi smacking po ang likod. 9,480. 9,480. Code ako dito, painting. Last stock, wala na po akong iba nito sisi ko ha. Code is painting. Ito, Madam Kiara, code na lang po ako ng painting ha. Ayan po. Code is painting. Pa-code ako ng painting. Code is painting, pa-code ako ng painting, super maganda, highly recommended sis, nag-iisa, and then hindi ko alam kung kailan ako makakapag-restock pa tayo nito kasi wala na po talaga akong makuha nito. Okay, code ako dito painting, available size small, last stock po. Code is painting ladies. Next tayo ladies, another high-end, this is Akler. Ito po, Akler, pang medium to large. Large on tag po. Ito si Akler ha. 7,480. 7,480. Code ako dito ng, thank you sisi ko. Code ako dito ng, pa-code ako ng two-tone. Code is two-tone, pa-code ako ng two-tone. 7,480 na lang po. 7,480, code ako dito ng two-tone. Code is two-tone, pa-code ako ng two-tone. Pang medium to large, this is large on tag. Sis Almi, ito po.